So hello, today I will be explaining you this video, explaining this sum through the video, and I am also doing the sum myself for the first time. So let us try to cook something. Okay. So the question states that a straight highway leads to a foot of a tower. Okay. A man is standing at the top of the tower, observes a car at an angle of depression 30 degree. So now let us draw something like they are telling that there is one highway. They are telling that there is one highway. Okay, they are telling that there is a highway that leads to the foot of a tower. So this is my tower. Assume this is my tower. Okay, I'm just doing a three-dimensional thing. Okay, this is my tower. Assume it. Okay, assume a man is standing at the top of the tower. So at the top of the tower, a man is standing. Assume this man to be like this. Okay, and observes a car at an angle of depression 30 degree. So I will be assuming that the man has point mass. Okay, so let me do something. I will be assuming that the man has point mass. This is the man, and he is observing that the angle of depression of a car approaching is 30 degree. Okay, angle of depression 30 degree is approaching the foot of the tower at an uniform speed of uniform speed. 6 seconds later, it is found to be 60 degree. It means that at this juncture it was 30 degree. Now after 6 seconds, it will be 60 degree. Okay, this is also 30 degree because of alternate angles. Okay, and after this, I'm drawing it a different color. This angle will be 60 degree. This angle. Okay, it has approached some distance near the tower, so it will be now 60 degree. So this is our figure. We have to find a time taken to reach the foot of the tower. Okay, understood. 6 seconds later, it reaches the angular depression. So means this distance is covered in 6 seconds. Acha. Okay, understood. Now we have to find time taken to reach this part. Okay, it means that we have to find the speed. If we find the speed, we already know the distance. Acha. So now let us do this in a bigger way. So now I'm just clearing off. Okay, okay. Okay, now let us do this in a bigger way. I'm doing a big diagram because we have now understand the concept. Okay, we guys. Okay, let me just pick it a bit bigger. Now we have this is a good sum. This is a good sum. Now we have understood the concept. Now we will do it very quickly. This one is being told to us as 30 degree, and this one is told to us 30 degree, and this one is told to us 60 degree. This change occurs in 6 seconds. We have to find this displacement. So I can construct this thing. I know that my so anything is given. Nothing is given actually. Really nothing is given. Okay, now let us consider this as x. I know that 10 I know that 1060 is root 3. So it will be like root 3. If I consider it as y, it will be root 3 is equal to x by y. So y will be nothing but x by root 3. Or we can just simplify to write x root 3 by 3. So we got this y. Okay, now this z we need to find. So tan 30 degree is equal to this x by z plus y. Okay, and we already know the value of x, that is the value of x is root 3 by y. Okay, now let me just put the values. Value of x is root 3 by y. Okay, so now let us put the root. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. and my x is something like I can write this as root 3 plus y, and my z I need to find, let me write as z, and this is y. I'll be clearing of the space. Just remember these values, okay, guys. I'll be just clearing of the space with the eraser. Where's my eraser? Okay, because I need some space, right? The diagram I cannot erase, obviously, so it's a good sum, I guess. That's why it is taking time to solve, and it should be taking time to solve because it's a good sum, and good sums should be solved patiently. Okay, it was root 3. Sorry, it was root 3 into y, not plus y. Root 3 into y. Okay. Now z plus y, just put at z plus y is equal to root 3 into root 3, 3y. So now z is equal to 2y. Very good. Now z is 2y, and this is y we all know, and this is x, that is root 3 by y. Correct. So now what's next? I have been told that I've got, okay, these values I've got, so I can just erase it now peacefully. I'm erasing the question too. I know, okay. No, very good. I have erased the question too. Okay. Let us now erase these things. Quickly, I'm doing it. Don't waste time. Somewhere. Okay, now again let's get back to the question. Now I've got these two values out here, 2y and y. I am being told that I traveled 2y in 66 seconds. Okay, I have traveled 2y in 6 seconds. So understand this. I traveled 2y in 6 seconds as it is told in the question. It means I will travel y in 3 seconds. Simple unitary method. And I have to find this only, which is the foot of the card. Means this y distance. Why? Because I have been told at the first that the car is moving at a uniform speed. So this is the sum.